So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you're going to click on the Details tab. And now this will come up. Now once you run this, you're going to find the process that you're having a problem with. So I'm just going to scroll down. It can be any process here. Let's say, for example, I'm having a problem with Microsoft Edge. So now I'm going to look on the PID. So for this process right here, the PID is going to be 7840. So you're going to find the process that you're having a problem with and then find the PID number for it. So in my case, it's going to be 7840. And now once you find out what the PID number is, for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, you're going to type in kill space -ID space and then the PID number. Again, for me, it's going to be 7840. So you're going to type in kill space -ID space your number. For me, it's going to be 7840 and then click on enter. And now if you go back to Task Manager, it should now be gone. That's how you do it. Also, after you type in this first command and then you click on enter, it may be saying to you, are you sure? In that case, you're going to type in Y and then click on enter again. Y means yes. And it should now remove the process for you.